Good deal. It's nice and easy right on top. Right on top, all right. We got Merv here for another box of Series 1 hockey. All right, bud. Good luck to you. Upside down. Maybe that's a good sign. There were some upside down packs in there. All right. Right off the bat, we're already starting off good. We got a Young Guns canvas, Max Domi. I'd be happy to pull it for you, man. I'd be happy to pull it for you. That Domi's a nice start to the box, though. Okay, we got portraits. Patrick Kane. This is driving me nuts. Okay, Young Guns. We got a Slater. Koekek. Excuse my pronunciation. What's up, Shane? How you doing, man? Just doing a few personal boxes here for some guys. Okay, we got a Shining Star, Vladimir Tarasenko. The camera will focus. This will be the. I just opened a fresh case for personals. This is the third one in a row I've done here. So. Okay, we got a canvas, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. I got the first guy. The first one I opened had a McDavid a checklist in it, but I haven't got the Young Guns yet. So. Here's Young Guns, Nicholas Piton. Just pulled this gentleman a nice Young Guns canvas Max Domi right off the top of this one. Got a portrait, Ovechkin. He's not the prettiest guy to put on a portrait, but hey, what are you gonna do? What's up, Fanatic? Here we got a Shining Star foil, Matt Sundin. Yeah, let me finish this one here, Murph, and we'll talk about that. That's cool. We got a Young Guns, Ben Hutton. Oh no, Shani, Merv sent me an IM there. The Shining Stars, Jonathan Taves. I don't know. It's hard to say that, Shani, and not read that in De Niro's voice, you know. The Young Guns, Matt O'Connor. I figured, you know. Got a canvas, Nazem Kadri. Got a Young Guns, Sam Bennett. Got a portrait, Jacob de la Rose. Yeah, it's a solid hit. Yeah, it's up to you, Shani. It's however you want to handle it, buddy. Got a canvas, Kerry Lettman. Shining Star, Patrick Waugh. And a portrait, James Van Riemsdyk. Young Guns, Jared McCann. Get your UD game jersey. The real deal. James Neal. That's one of the I know you're a Pens fan like me, so that's easy to boo. That's one of the, I'll tell you what, that's one of the better jerseys I've pulled though. There's been a few that have been real bummers. Alright, do anything out of this puppy. And that's it. Alright, Murph, thanks again, man. Appreciate the business. Yeah, it was good. It's moving in the right direction.